Now here's a new video game you haven't seen yet. It's called Dice Mogul. Now it's like Monopoly, but not. So watch as I play. Now, if you notice under the player, like mine says player. For me, I'm the blue. If you notice under the players a red thing, that means they're almost out of money and they better be careful or because once they run out of money, the game's over basically. Now I'll show you things as they come up. Like when you pass go and stuff. And if a player lands on yours, just like Monopoly, you get paid. You get paid more when you have houses on it. But unlike Monopoly, you can steal people's houses. Yeah, like if I get a special power up, I can steal this person's house. But I haven't gotten the power up yet. We'll talk about that after we pass go. Oh, and also, I paid for the full version. So what that means is I get more power ups than you would get if you got the free version. Okay, so I can either choose the plus 200 or the free power up. I'll choose the free power up. And that power up that I just got means somebody paid me and they made the doorbell sound they landed on my property. The power up I just got means I'm immune from paying anybody when I use it. So like if I land on anybody else's space, I don't have to pay them for one round only. I mean, because it's a one-time use. That's what I mean by that. Oh, and I will post the link in the description if you want to get Dice Mogul. Now if I click on this, I can build. And that's what that looks like. And that's what the house looks like. That's what the first house looks like. And that's what the next house looks like. That's what the next house looks like. And if you sell them, you get the amount shown here. I'm going to sell those. I'm going to put one there. Because people can steal your property. And since I don't, and I'm concerned that they'll steal the 4-star properties means they're better property. I'm concerned somebody's going to steal my property. But if I put that house there, they're going to take the little one instead of the bigger ones. Because they want the house, of course. And basically somebody used a power up and I lost my property. But I don't have the big one anymore. That's how that works. And that's what you get 200 more. And I just lost another property via spider invasion. yellow person that, oh, it went away, but that red thing meant they were in danger. They didn't have much money. I'm going to show you more power-ups as I get them. Now, some of the power-ups I don't really understand what they mean. If I know what they mean, I'll tell you. If not, you'll just have to watch. Now, most of the time I change the power when I pass go. And I chose the 200 for the sake of this video so you could see what would happen when you got 200. Well, you just get 200, but still, for the sake of this. That boost I already explained to you that I have, so hopefully you remember what it does. I'm going to use it now in hopes that, I bang on someone and don't have to pay them. Oh wait, that's what it does. I just told you again. There you go. I mean, I'm very glad that I didn't land on somebody else's, but if I had, that would help. I used it just in case I landed on somebody else's property. Ooh, yellow's in big danger of losing. We'll see how it goes. Because they're going to get more money probably when they pass go, so we'll see if they actually lose. And go is basically the finish line in this game. And it's not really called go, it's just the finish line. Oh, you can only have... And you can only have 3 boosts at a time. The next time I'm going to use one of those boosts and explain what he does. Yep, that yellow person was busted. That means they lost the game. Okay, this boost basically stops the mogul. So, now I'm not going to press on the red mogul because it will stop me and the red mogul. So I'm going to stop the green mogul. And basically, it's jail. So stopping a mogul is sending them to jail. And they have 3 turns where they have to get doubles. Oh, and that boost that Megan just used was basically stealing a property from someone else. In case I would get that boost. Now you know what it does. Luckily they didn't steal one of my properties. I think they stole one of Green's, which is great. I could have used my boost to stop that, but I forgot to use it, so next turn. Oh, you can use more than 1 boost at a time. You can use all 3 boosts per turn if you want. Which is so nice. Oh, and that doorbell sound, remember, it's just this game I'm playing. Basically, every time they land on my property, it makes that doorbell sound. I just lost my property. I think she landed somewhere and it was taken away. But that's okay. Now that bomb looking thing, I'm not sure what that does. That's one of the booths I don't understand what it does. And that's one of the new booths. So I paid for the full version, which got me more booths. And supports, whatever it supports. I guess supports the game, I guess. Well, now I'm in trouble, so let's see how that works out. Oh, and unfortunately, the game ended because I ran out of money. So there's Dice Mogul. Enjoy!